When looking at the culture of a country, it is telling when that country ranks third as one of the safest countries in the world, as Portugal did in 2019. This was noted in the Portuguese American Journal. Today we are going to take a journey through the Portuguese culture and see how the gender roles have changed between men and women, what customary traditions they still observe, and how people helping people can overcome substance abuse. Let's look at the history of roles of men and women and how they have progressed. Prior to the Equality Revolution, there was a cultural normalcy. The men were the sole financial providers, and the women maintained the management of the daily life of the family. After the revolution, however, both men and women engaged in the labor market and in continuing education. Fathers received a leave from work called parenthood protection, and women have more accessibility to continuing education. Updated studies after the revolution show that even though almost most surveyed agree in gender equality, 43% of people still believe that family life is harmed when the woman works outside of the home full time. This was noted in the white paper report called Men and Gender Equality in Portugal. With the transformation of the roles of a man and woman, the customs observed remain customary. There are still daily customs observed, as noted in the Encyclopedia Britannica. The impact of more people moving from rural locations to city provides an opportunity for entertainment and dancing, thus allowing the Portuguese to maintain their dancing traditions. Some religious traditions remain intact. Twice a year there is a pilgrimage made to the shrine of Fatima. Now that we have looked at Portugal's transformation and customary aspects of culture, let's journey to the way that people have become more involved in helping one another. The impact of the drug decriminalization has led to allowing people to do this. The Drug Policy Alliance report tells us that Portugal had one of the highest drug overdose rates, and this was caused by HIV in Europe in the 1990s. In 1997, the people ranked drug use as the #1 social problem. This made Portugal search for a solution to the problem. A committee was formed from people from various fields, and this committee was called the Dissuasion Commission. If people are found now with illegal substances, police confiscate them and turn them over to this commission. The commission looks at the drug history of the person, and if it's determined that there is a substance abuse problem, they are referred to a treatment program. This has led to overdose rates falling by more than 80% and incarceration for drug offenses decreasing by 43%. The Drug Alliance report showed the United States that they needed to take a look at Portugal's approach to their drug program and do a self-reflection of their own in how the United States handles drug abuse. Although Portugal has evolved in many ways throughout the years, the country remains committed to keeping people first. Through the evolution of gender roles, maintaining customary traditions, and tackling the substance problem, the people continue to sustain Portuguese culture. And these are my notes that I have used. Thank you.